Hey everybody, my name is Andrew Carper. I'm in Taylor, South Carolina right now. One of my clients is doing a do-yourself termite treatment system. I've never done personally, but when I was out seeing houses, I see 3, 4, 5 a day just between showings and appraisals. One of the owners was talking to me about something that he did, and essentially I'm kind of thankful that he's trying it and now letting me shoot a video just so I get to learn. Also, I've never seen it done, I've only heard of it, but you lay out 3-inch PVC pipe down the side of the storage shed, 2-inch in front, and drill an 1/8 of an inch holes throughout the PVC pipe, and then you're just going to go with some insecticide. The actual cost up front before the insecticide is probably going to be about $100, give or take, depending on the size. But you're going to want to use 0.8 of an ounce per 1 gallon of water, and 4 gallons of water will treat 10 feet of PVC pipe, give or take. I got you. And this Taurus is the insecticide that he's using. This is where your cost might go up a little bit, but it'll be worth it in the long run if you're trying to protect a good storage shed with electric and all the work's done up to it.
And I bought these from Harbor Freight, 1/8 inch titanium drill bits, about $3. And I drilled numerous, probably about every 4 inches on the bottom of the pipe. And then I staggered on each side up to halfway on the pipe. Because when I pour that product in, I'm going to completely fill the pipe up. And that's what I use to drill. So I guess it's probably 100, 120. No, there's probably about $150 in product without the Taurus SC. But the idea that Andrew had seen, getting that pipe in the ground and doing that, and told me it'd be the last time I ever have to dig another trench. And for an old man, that'd kick that can. Andrew had given us this idea, and that Taurus SC product mixes 0.80 ounces to a gallon of water. So your Home Depot or Lowe's 5-gallon jug, you mark on it, get it up to 4 gallons. It treats 10 feet. This is level, so I went 20 feet with a 3-inch pipe. So I had to mix 2 of those. I had to have 8 gallons pre-mixed up to pour it in there. I tried to save money, and I went 2-inch in the front. This is 5 foot, so that's 2 gallons of pre-mix. But the 2-inch pipe won't hold 2 gallons. It'll overflow, so I got to sit there and wait for it to seep down and keep filling it up to get a good coverage. Did the same thing in the back, but it was a good idea he gave me, because I've got power. Now I have to hand do this. It's the only place that doesn't have pipe where my electrical comes in. 2 inches in the back, 3 inches on the other side. But this building with the siding and all and the electrical was 7-8 grand. This building here, this building is a soundproof room. It was for a musician, for drums. So this building would cost probably $7,000 to $10,000 to build, and I've got to do that. But I had the question and asked him, and he told me what he had seen, and I'm gonna try this. So I dug my trench, which I did this on my house in 2016, and I got to do it again 2021. But this is what I'm going to do on my house. I'll never have to dig it again and kind of a do-it-yourself termite treatment. All the finished product. This is why I called Andrew and see if he had any ideas. I did my house in 2016, which when I'm 55, I'm gonna have to do it again. And man, that just whipped my can digging that trench around the house. And I want to never have to dig another trench. So I have them two. The reason why them two are side by side and the other side isn't is because of the slope, the way I dug the hole. And I filled it back in. That cap goes about halfway, and that 2-inch cap goes around the back the other way. So I hope this is a good idea. I appreciate him telling me what to do, but I had to get this filled back in because we got the hurricane coming in, and I didn't want water washing dirt and pushing that pipe back up, so I had to get that pipe covered.